Hello, welcome back. Let's move on. Yeah, we have installed SQLite and also have a bit of interaction using create, selection, and some command inside the SQLite, right? So we know that the database, relational database, use a relation tuple attribute, okay, to refer to table, okay? Table, that's a row, that's a column, right? So in the SQL, we use this to create a table, actually create a schema, the relation of the attribute. So they are interchangeably used in the context, okay? So here comes another software introduced in the textbook called a database browser, which is a user-friendly version. I would say that based on your preference, you can use it. Let me first introduce a bit. Let's go to the page. Basically, it's a application look like this. Okay, you can install on a different platform, Windows, Linux, Macs, and launch it and open the database and create a new table, also change the data or issue your SQL command, okay? But I suggest you, okay, particularly we are learning how to write a program. Yeah, you know, we have been talk about this a lot. The issue is that how we can really type by ourselves, not use the mouse to click this, click that, and copy paste, right? So this is for your learning only. So I recommend you use a SQLite interactive mode, but I will show you how to do this too. Okay, where to download? You can download from here. I already download my version, installed successfully. You can download a Windows system and uncompress it and just follow the necessary step to install any new application. Okay, Mac user, download this version. If you are the Mac user, you can use Homebrew to install third-party applications. I use this a lot. Okay, so let's go back. So if I install it in my system, DB browser becomes searchable, so we can use command line or search tool to search DB browser for the SQLite. Okay, so we're going to launch it. So launch it. So first thing we can open our previous exercise. Remember our previous exercise, I have data in my Python directory. So this is my Python directory and the DB. There's a database file here. Okay, I'm going to open it. So see here we have a table, only one table. I keep click on it. This table have two columns, right? Two attribute. So attribute 1 is the text type, remember? And attribute 2 is the integer type. So what's that exactly? Remember? What happened? I cannot access the document. What happened? Okay. Maybe internet broken. Anyhow, SQLite 3. Remember? Yeah, this SQLite and document. No, download installation, right? Remember installation here. Yeah, share tool. Okay, come on. So last time we used this, right? And we create the table 1. So we see the table 1 is out here. And 1, it's the first attribute name. 2, second attribute name. And we insert 3 data, right? But here is a schema. We cannot see the data. We can use a browse data. We can see the record, okay? The first two, and this one is I newly inserted, okay? So everything you can use in the graphical user interface mode, okay? Of course, you can issue a new command, okay? So let's try. This is where you can type insert into something, right? Insert into TBL1 values. I love Python and SQL. SQL. Okay, 40. Okay, semicolon. Okay, and here you need to use this run button, okay, to execute. Execution finish without errors, okay. So you see the new line has been inserted. So let's see, we have a new line. Yeah, so this is another way to explore the database. Yeah, whichever you prefer. I personally prefer the first one because you feel like you are typing everything, right? Everything is under your control. But this one is pretty cool, okay? It could be a very good company for beginner, okay? So see you next time. Bye.